What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Mo Dodge, Mo Mods, or Mo Mods, Mo Dodge, however you like it. Today we're going to be installing a front splitter. Now, this splitter I got off of eBay, roughly 80 bucks, so it's not really expensive. I did purchase the rods for holding it, but I don't think I'm going to need it in this case. I did get some 3M tape, just for extra security. What you see before me is what I have, the materials I'm going to use for this install. So right now, just a quick explanation of what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the underbody with water, soap mix, paint thinner, which gets a lot of stuff off, just so that the bottom surface is clear, for the 3M adhesive that's going to stick to the bottom of this bumper. Once I remove the tape off of the splitter, I'm going to place it the way I want it. And at that point, I'm going to pre-drill some holes, because I am going to be riveting the valance to the bottom of the bumper. By riveting, I'm pretty much assured it's going to stick in place. I'm also going to screw or self-tap just to make sure, for extra precautions, because you know, when you're going 80-90 miles on the highway and you have a front splitter, if it's a cheap splitter and you don't have it properly installed, it's going to fly right off, and that can be pretty embarrassing. So stay tuned, and let's see how it goes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's finally completed. Cheap $80 splitter. It's now installed. As you can see, it's not exact, and that could be the way I put it on. Once you get that 3M tape on there, man, it's a wrap. Once it sticks to that plastic, man, it's a wrap. And as you can see, it's not flushed, but you couldn't tell that from a distance. So I'm gonna step back. It's definitely not exact specs, to say the least. What's crazy is it's flushed over here by an inch, and that could just be the way I installed it. But for me, it's okay. No one's gonna really notice. Yeah, ladies and gents, so finished product for the front lip splitter. Looks pretty good so far. It's alright. And that's going to be a wrap, guys. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And this is another Mo Dodge, Mo Mods. And I'll see you on the next time. So you know what I got, guys. It's that taser set up already. Yo! Just want to give y'all a taste of the light show. Yo! I want to do the backlight flash. Anyway. That's it. I'll get at you.